guys, we're back with another video, and this time we're restocking our fridge. And I think I already got the drinks right here that I wanted to get in my fridge, but I feel like we need like a bigger fridge though. So yeah, now let's get started with this video right now. And I think we should put these in here, but I feel like this is for like Amelia's snacks and all that. But tell me what you think, because I think I'm gonna put them in here anyways, because I just really do not know. No, I'm gonna put actually 3 in each column. Let's put that right. Let's fill it till it actually like fills. Now this is my first video without the family, except for the video where I said let's hit 30 subscribers. And I'm only 2 subscribers away from 30. Now we're at 28 subscribers. That was so quick. I only have 3 videos on my channel and I already have 28 subscribers. So that's low-key crazy, kind of crazy actually. And yeah, I'm making second choices about this, but it's fine. Let's just keep going. Now I think I should do these protein drinks. 3 in each column again. Now that's it for this row. Now we're gonna get milk and all that now. Let's get this milk. We don't need 1% milk, right? Okay, now we're gonna put Amelia's juice boxes right here so I can get them for her. Cause sometimes I need, I get glitches getting stuff from up here, from the top. And I feel like that's not necessary for me right now. So yeah. And we're actually gonna get 2 milks, just in case, you know. Now we're gonna throw this container away, and let's get this juice, 2 of them. Now, I think that's it for drinks, cause I think I'm gonna get the protein away and put the fruit drinks over up here. And I'm actually gonna put these here. I'm just gonna have a little hard time getting them because of the glitches that happen. It's just I need to reset my fridge, and I do not feel like doing that right now. So we're gonna keep her juices up there, and I'm gonna get like 1 more column of the juices actually. Nah, she's not a big bag like me. So I'm gonna use these cinnamon buns for like morning breakfasts. And then we're gonna put them together. Actually, no. I actually have a very hard time organizing these things because they always get me mad, like really mad. Because we're gonna get some containers right now. Then I don't know what's going where and where. So I'm actually gonna use this container because I don't know what else container I'm gonna use. Right. Put it. What is that? Oh my god. I never put that there. I swear. Right, those are for breakfast. Now let's go over here. And wait, I'm gonna take the sandwiches off of these. Put them here. I think 4 should be enough, or 6. I don't know. I think 4 is enough. I think we're gonna need more containers, so I'm gonna take like 2 more containers, and that's it. Okay, now we're going back to food. Put the sandwiches in this. And I'm actually put them down here so it can actually freeze, and then I put them in like the air fryer so they can actually heat up. I really don't care about that. So now what's next? Okay, let's open this up, and we're gonna keep Amelia's containers because she needs those. Now we're gonna keep the lasagna now, but I feel like putting some jam up here. So all we need is these two because my family does not like the other one. No. We need cherries. I never saw those before. I'll put them in the freezer. I like my cherries cold, actually. Okay, we're gonna close this and that. Let's take these ones out. And let's actually take this out because like we never use it. Right. Okay, now we're gonna put that a little lower, actually, right there. Now we're gonna keep the, they have lemons. I actually never seen any of this stuff. We'll put the lemons right here. 3 avocados as well. Put that right here. Now we're gonna put this in my pantry. A box inside a box. All right. Put my air fryer like. I'll put these up there. I'm gonna put my air fryer down here so it's like easier and I don't have to like reach up for my character because I really don't know what I'm doing in there yet. But put her containers up there. Now we're gonna take some chips because like we need them for her jaws. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we need popsicles. Like after I saw those, I'm like, we need the popsicles like right now. Pops can go. Hold up. 2, 3. And of course, there's only 1 cherry in each. They might not even do the cherries because like, what do we need the cherries for? Bruh. Okay. Okay, I thought these were so cute though. I thought they were cute because the other ones are like white and I kind of think those are like plain white ones. So yeah. 3. Okay, we need the cream cheese. I'm not gonna put the cream cheese in the fridge like they're supposed to be. Okay. Put the cream cheeses in there. Now, I love these little thingamabobs. What did I just say? Alright. Let's put these in there. Because I really like noodles in real life. So, okay. Now, the ice cream. I think these are cute. Because, like, put it in her little bowl, you know? 6 each. 2, 3, 4. Am I gonna have to do that? Bruh. Alright, this might be a longer video because, like, I'm very picky on what happens, really. No, I'm gonna put the bagels right here, like under the cream cheeses. The bagel, the little monster, that's so cute. I think it's cute myself. Ooh, we need, oh, I think that's disgusting, the pig. I don't think the pig is disgusting. I think the pig meat's disgusting right there. Now, wait, we need some snacks for Amelia more. We need some more. Let's have some bananas Why not bananas? Bananas sound like very good right now. Okay. Now let's put some fruits in this house. The mangoes are so cute. I love mangoes. Hold up. Let's make this easier for us. Okay. I don't know what's gonna make it easier for us. Hold up. I think that's it. That's like, oh, wait a minute. We have some more room. Right here. Just put the mangoes in there. I'm just getting the mangoes because like I don't want the other fruits, even though I said bananas taste very good in my mouth right now, but I'm more of a mango person. Okay, let's put to shaving cream, whipped cream in there. No. Where's the fruits? Okay, I found them. I think 6 should be enough. And school's starting, so oh my god. So I can't wait till I get to put Malia in elementary school. And I think that's, oh my gosh, bro. And I thought that was it. Okay, so let's go to like candies. Like gummy worms, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, those look so good. I've been wanting to like actually try these in real life because they're actually real and I love those. Candies right here. 2, 3, 1. Hold up. Bro. Oh my god. 2, 3. Put the sack forward a little more. 2, 3. Oh my gosh, bro. This is when I get rage bait by Chocoboca because they always do this to me whenever I play this and organize my fridges. 1, 2, 3. Bruh, that's so uneven. 2 marshmallows and gummy worm. Okay, I guess that's fine. Okay, let's get the crunchy thingies. And after that, let's get the shrimp. I think shrimp's very good. Yo, why don't... I guess that's okay. Wait. Oh, I've been wanting to use these in Chocoboca so bad. So bad. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, let's put some crackers here. And then that's it. So guys, that will be the end of our video. But let's close these. Now, bye!